In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add icons to your Shopify homepage. We'll cover two different methods, using the theme editor for basic icons and text, and customizing your theme's code for more advanced options and control. Whether you're looking for a straightforward way to add a few icons or need a more tailored approach, I've got you covered. Let's begin with the first method, which involves using the theme editor. This method is perfect for those who want to add simple icons and accompanying text without delving into coding. First, head over to your Shopify admin panel. From there, navigate to Online Store, then Themes, and click on Customize. This will take you to the design workspace where you can make real-time edits to your theme. Next, find the section where you want to place the icon. This could be in the header, footer, or on one of your product pages. When you've selected the spot, click the small plus icon to add a new block to the section. Look for a block option like Text with Icon or something similar, depending on your theme's capabilities. You'll use this to integrate an icon with text. Once you've chosen the correct block, the right sidebar will allow you to select an icon from the theme's built-in library. You can also add a heading or any text you feel is necessary to accompany the icon. Feel free to repeat this process for any additional icons you wish to place. Once you're satisfied with all the changes, make sure to save them so that they appear when customers visit your site. Now, let's move on to the second method, which offers greater flexibility by using code customization. Start again in your Shopify admin panel and go to Online Store, then Themes and Customize. Now, navigate to the specific section you want to enhance. For instance, the homepage's top bar. Next, click on Edit Code. Locate the relevant section file that corresponds to where you want your icons to appear, such as section header liquid. Here, you'll need to add a new asset, which is simply an image icon in SVG format. Upload this to your theme's asset folder. After this, add a custom liquid block to the selected section. Paste the code necessary to display your icon along with its associated text. You'll likely need to tweak this code to adjust the styling and content according to your design preferences. Once you're happy with your setup, save the changes and preview them on your store to ensure everything looks just right. Keep in mind that when it comes to icon libraries, Shopify has a collection of built-in icons, but you can explore other libraries like Font Awesome for a broader selection. SVG icons are also recommended for more customization options. Be sure to use CSS for consistent and responsive styling across various devices. Additionally, always test your updates on different devices and screen sizes to confirm they appear correctly.